guys, it's Jen from SS Designs Couture, and today I want to show you another really fun design using that Get Naked transfer. This time I'm going to use ink. If you caught my video on Monday, you saw that we made a really cute sign using paste. So this time I'm going to use ink. So the way that I do this is that I put a dollar store square glass cutting frame down, so that way I have a hard surface to work on. Ink has a tendency to bleed through the fabrics, so you want to make sure that you have something behind in between the two layers of fabric, whether you're working with a shirt or whether you're working, you'll see on this sign I fold the fabric in half. I am using Couture ink, and it is in a black, velvet black is what they call it, or what we call it. And I am using the same exact process that I used for my paste. So you're going to apply it on there, make sure that your entire silk screen is covered, and then you're going to scrape off any excess and put it back into the jar. Okay, then I'm going to peel the transfer from the side, being careful not to stretch the silk screen. And since I'm working with like a light fabric, this comes right off. I put it right into the water bath and wash it off. I now take my heat gun and I blow dry, or I heat dry the ink, and then I put it in my heat press. So you'll want to make sure that it's dry, and then you'll want to heat set it. That makes it permanent, and that works for any type of apparel, whether it's blankets or shirts or hats. I'm now going to take this frame. So this was originally a canvas frame that I picked up from the dollar store, except for I screwed up on the canvas. So I just got some light fabric that I'm going to double up and use instead. It's the same technique that you use for a reverse canvas sign. And I'm just going to speed up the process a little bit. So after I was done with my fabric, I just stapled it onto the back of that frame that I had stained last week. I always stain my wood ahead of time, so that way it allows it to sit and cure. Then I'm just going to trim off all the extra fabric around the outside. And voila, there you guys have it. A nice, easy, do-it-yourself frame. Thank you so much for stopping in today, and I really appreciate you guys. Make sure to subscribe. And if you missed the video from Monday, I used the exact same transfer and I made a different project. So make sure to go back and check that out. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Have a